In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join meeting in Cisco WebEx. Whether you're on a computer or a mobile device, the process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step so you can join quickly and confidently. Start by opening the meeting invitation you received, either in your email inbox or on your calendar. Look for the date and time to make sure you're joining at the right moment, and note any details like the meeting password or agenda. In that invite, you'll see a Join Meeting link. Go ahead and click it. This link takes you directly to the meeting page and saves you from typing anything manually. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to install or open the WebEx Meetings app, or you can choose to join from your browser. The app generally offers the smoothest experience and full features, but the browser option is perfectly fine for quick access. If your browser asks for permission to use your microphone and camera, click Allow so others can hear and see you. If you're asked to enter your name and email, type them in as you want them to appear to other attendees. Using your real name helps the host identify you and admit you faster if there's a lobby. You won't need to create an account just to join as a guest. If the host set a meeting password, enter it exactly as shown in the invitation. Passwords can be case-sensitive, so copy and paste if you can. If you don't see the password right away, it's usually listed directly under the join link in the invite. Keep this information private and don't share it publicly. Next, you'll see the audio and video preview. This is your chance to choose your microphone, speakers, and camera, and to check that everything looks and sounds good. You can mute your microphone before entering to avoid background noise, and you can turn your camera off if you prefer to join without video. If you have multiple devices, pick the correct ones from the drop-down menus. A headset or earbuds can help reduce echo, and good lighting in front of you will make your video clearer. If available, consider enabling background blur for a cleaner look. When everything is set, click Join Meeting to enter the session. You may land in a waiting room until the host lets you in. That's normal. Stay muted until you're ready to speak, and you'll be all set to participate. That's it. Simple, secure, and efficient.